So the next one was a reminder survey. This one is just really simple. Somebody they've set up their appointment time in their project and they wanted to be able to send out a reminder survey the day before their appointment as a reminder. And this was actually really easy. So they just have this, so this demo that I created for them, it just has a date. And because they were doing something they were trying to get, the appointment date, and then they were trying to do like a date diff calculation and, grab that date value. And then they were trying to do some complex, like, branching logic and, all this. It was way too convoluted, and it actually turned out to be a lot easier than it needed to be. So really what you have to do is in your automated invitations, all you do is it's a date diff. Let me make this bigger so you guys can see. So all you have to do is set the date diff value in the automated survey. And so the session date is like my appointment date. And then today I'm going to get the value of today. And then I'm going to get the number of days difference. And the important thing is all you do is set this to -1. And what that's going to say is if the session date is 1 day before today's date, fire this survey off. And if you want it to be a week, early, then you set it to, -7, that kind of thing. And it's really simple to do, to have the survey sent out. And you just want to make sure that this is unchecked because you only want to go off of the branching logic. And this would work for if you didn't want to have to set up automated surveys. If you had like a separate notification or an alert, you could send out the alert that way using the same branching logic. So if you had a custom, because this really is like, this is actually going to send out like the survey. So if you actually had survey with information on it, you wouldn't want to do it this way because that would send out the survey ahead of time. You would really want to set up an alert or a notification. That way you have control over the text, the email body, and all that stuff. If you just want to say, hey, so-and-so, your appointment is on this, this date, I'm just reminding you, send out a reminder. Any other information you want to put, location, parking, that kind of stuff, you would set in the notification or the alert, and then you would just use this branching logic to send it out a day ahead of time. Any questions about that?